Hello, guys, and welcome back. Check this out. What is that? That's palm oil, right? If you're someone that walks in the supermarkets and read labels on things, because I do, right? Every now and then I do. You notice that, especially I've seen this a lot in peanut butter and some other things. I can't remember the other things, but you see that they wrote no palm oil, and it makes people think palm oil must be terrible for you. That's why they're writing no palm oil. But actually, this is not in relation to anything to do with health. This is in relation to the sustainability of the environments, because in certain parts of the world, people are clearing out vegetation to grow palm trees in order to get palm oil, and basically this is not good for the environment, and it's not sustainable. So hence why they're not supporting that, so they put no palm oil in these products. Basically, they don't put palm oil in these products, right? But and that's I think that's the reason why they're writing that in those containers and most of those products. But palm oil is not really terrible for you. Palm oil is dominantly saturated fat, specifically palmitic acid. And palmitic acid is one thing that your body can also use as energy. Secondly, saturated fat is a precursor to cholesterol, and cholesterol, we know, is very, very important for the operation of your human body, for the production of hormones, your bile, a lot of other things, right? So, and thirdly, palm oil has the full vitamin E complex. Vitamin E is not just vitamin E. Vitamin E is a family of vitamins comprising of tocopherols and tocotrienols. If you notice, when you buy vitamin E, or when you go to the shop to buy vitamin E, you only see tocopherols. You hardly ever see tocotrienols. But tocotrienols are much more important, in fact, more than the tocopherols, as research study says, right? So vitamin E is a family complex of vitamins, both tocopherols and tocotrienols. And vitamin E is very important because it protects the inside of your arteries, right, from oxidative damage, and that's a key, right? Secondly, vitamin E is a fat protector. It protects the fat in your body from oxidizing. That is another key. That's a big thing. So we need vitamin E. Thirdly, and another reason is that palm oil is very high in vitamin A, and we know why we need vitamin A. So basically, palm oil is not bad for you. The only area where people tend to run into problems with palm oil is when you start mixing palm oil with carbohydrates food, especially if you don't exercise. Especially if you don't exercise and you're already in a bad shape. Like, for example, some people already have hypertension, or they already have a type of health condition, hypertension, diabetes, whatever, right? You are someone that should probably stay away from carbohydrates for starters, right? And then maybe mixing carbohydrates with palm oil, it's very bad for you. Especially in African cultures, we have foods that combine these two, and this can be very terrible for you, especially if you don't exercise. But if you're someone that exercises a lot and you're in good shape and you're very active, I mean, palm oil is not a terrible food for you. Anyway, guys, thanks. I hope this information helped. Don't run away from palm oil. Make sure you're active and you're keeping yourself in good health, because palm oil has its benefits. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.